Hi, welcome to the course of Hedge Fund Strategy Trading with Sentiment Analysis. Sentiment analysis really is taking into account of all of the so-called tweets and sentiments that is being posted, whether it's published in the Wall Street Journals, Bloomberg, stock tweets, or even provided by the Thomson Reuters. All of these, there are alpha signal in them. So in this course, I will walk through with you and show you how to trade with sentiment analysis. I just want to walk through with you with regards to the actual course structure itself. Let me just show you what the actual course look like. The course is broken into major sections. There is the introduction, which is this part here, and I'm going to introduce to you the platform that we will use to develop all of our codes as well as the factors. And I'm going to show you, first of all, because we make full use of extensive use of Python, we're going to show you how to use Python and explain NumPy as well as pandas before we're moving on to make use of pipeline and actually generate and design our codes and also factors using sentiment analysis. Now, how do you get the most out of this course? Practice, and I cannot emphasize enough, practice again. I really want to encourage you to follow along as I explain the actual principle and the concepts. Type your codes and run it along with me, just so that you can see that you are actually generating the same results as well. For those who are experienced with Python, you don't actually have to follow along as closely. You can skip the introduction to Python, NumPy as well as pandas. You can go straight to the pipeline section as well as trading with sentiment analysis, and just to see how the whole workflow is done. This course provides you with the tools that top hedge funds of the world use. Now, the institutional tools that are included here are market data, fundamental data, sentiment analysis data, and much more. Yes, they are all free for you to actually test and write your code until you are comfortable with it, until you can see that there are actually alpha in the signals. In this course, you will learn to design, develop, and test long-short hedge fund strategies incorporating sentiment analysis, one of the really hot area or research area in finance. We're going to develop systematic as well as in a scientific manner. You will be able to assess your strategy, evaluate the strengths and weaknesses, improve, and finally, at your own wish, go live with the platform as well. You will get a detailed tour of the investment process that the top quant of the world use, one that used by the professional quant on a daily basis. This course will cover all the key areas such as sourcing data, making data-driven investment, defining trading universe suitable for your trading strategy, search and discovery of the elusive alpha, combined multiple alpha, and also followed by portfolio construction as well as trading. Now, the statistics bears out that the world is moving towards a much more data-driven as well as quantitative approach. In a recent paper published by Wire Technology in April 2017, there was $38 billion of institutional investment into algorithmically driven hedge funds. In October 2016 alone, one of the largest player, Renaissance Technology, which has $60 billion under management, announced that it received a further $7 billion in the previous years. Without further ado, let's get into the course itself and start creating your strategy.